just went in the 99-cent store and I got me some new school stuff. But they have stuff that costs way too much. Oh yeah. What kind of stuff did you get for school?
For school, I got was a little notebook and I got a little something for the car to draw in so I won't get bored. I got like this board that has Elsa on it, and I got some chips, and I got some candies, and that's all.
Well, I got a couple of things.
Well, me too.
I got a dry erase board. I got dry erase markers with an eraser. I got a notebook with cards in it. And you could go.
A car.
So, oh, I also got some more stuff. Some Lay's, but these are my aunties, girl. And a calculator, fashion calculator, that is. Some bacon cheddar chips, my favorite. And these humongous jelly candies. Yes, that is all I have.
So what I got is some bacon cheddar chips,
Stay close together.
headbands for me and my sister, I got a calculator, I got 10 candies for me and my sister, I got a drawing board,
Say you're gonna.
and I got a Elsa board, and I'm gonna color it all so good. And that's all I got. Me and my sister sharing some stuff from her bag and from my bag.
And girl, I was waiting for you at the door. Where have you been?
Actually, I was out the door with you, but you didn't see me, so yeah. Actually, I was in the 99-cent store shopping, so.
You don't talk to me like that.
Actually,
okay,
I
let's
could.
just walk. So you walk with me, and that's okay.
Don't me because I could talk to you however I want because
Let's just walk. What else did you get?
that's all I got. What else did you get?
That's all. So anyway,
And tomorrow we're going swimming.
okay, girl. Anyway, so
See y'all at the.
So
oh, look at that Lego thing.
look at that Lego person up there.
Everyone has a selfie stick.
Oh, look at that Lego. It's like the Lego Wonderland song, the Lego people. That Lego guy standing up there.
That guy's not made out of. Oh wait, never mind.